Hello viewers, I'm an engineer Ayaz Ahmed. Today I will discuss about reasons for high electricity bills. So this is too much important. You should aware of this where you are an engineer or professional engineer or a student or electricity users, consumers. So you should watch this video. You will understand how electricity bill is increased. So my topic will be reasons for high electricity. So this is too much important. I will discuss the important points. So the first point is common neutral. I will explain all about the energy method also. Common neutral. So I will not write all things because now you will understand no matter. If you are uneducated, then no matter. There will be an educated person in your home. He or she will let you understand this concept. So first one is common neutral. Means a connection in which a polarity of circuit use the same neutral connection. If the same neutral connection will be used, then the common neutral will be occur. So this is considered as a fault. It will increase your electricity bill. So the second one is earth leakage. So this is also a red indicator on energy meter. So when the current flowing in a system finds an alternative return path rather than active or neutral conductors. Yeah, so when the current flow will follow another alternative path rather than the neutral or active path, so it will cause electricity bill high. So the third important point is reverse voltage. So reverse voltage, this is a deep concept in an engineering. So the voltage applied in the opposite direction to the normal flow of an electricity through the energy meter, it could consider as abnormal condition. It is also called back feeding. Yeah, it is important. Back feeding or reverse energy. Please subscribe to my channel if you have found this video fruitful. I will explain all the things, so you should watch video till the end. I will discuss all the point why the electricity bill is high. So if you will watch this video completely, then your concepts will be clear. So I have studied research papers, I have studied a lot, then after I am making a video. So that's why you have to watch this video till the end, then you will understand. So reverse energy means if the connection is wrong. So this is mostly happen when the connection is wrong. When the connection is wrong. So this mostly happens when the connection is wrong. So you should look at your energy meter and find these faults. So now I will let you understand that the 5 red indicators, they are being displayed on the energy meter. I will explain all of them one by one. So if you then after you will understand that if a fault will occur on your energy meter, so it will show the fault, then you should repair that fault, otherwise it cause the hike of electricity. So now I will explain that. For example, because I will draw pictures, this is a great style to teach. So there are 5. For example, I will change the color yellow. So for example, this is one. No, this is not good. I will select another color, like black color. So this is one light and this is another light, this is another light, this is another reason. So there are 5 red layers on the energy meter. So this is our energy meter. So at the end, this is called power. We all know that VI cos of theta. So this indicates the power, and this is used for reverse voltage or reverse current. And this is too much important. So impulse per kilowatt hour. So this is our neutral. This is our neutral, and this is our earth. This is our earth. So now I will explain all of them one by one, then you will understand. Earth means if this will occur, when the current is flowing in the alternative path rather than the active path. So if it will indicate, like it will blink, so the fault has been occurred in your system. Fault. So this should not indicate. And this is neutral, where it is if the neutral will be common, so it is considered as also fault. So this should not indicate. This is used for the consumption of energy, so this should be on. And the power, this should be on. And reverse, this is also dangerous, this should not be on. So if you will found this type of system on your energy meter, then your energy meter is okay. You don't need to repair it. If these 3 earth, neutral and reverse, these are on, then your system is fault. So then you should repair the fault. If these impulse per kilometer are reverse, our power light is on. This is power light. If these 2 are on, then your system is okay. Don't need to repair or change the energy meter. So here this means impulse means if it will complete 3200 rotations or blinking. If it will blink 3200 times, then it will complete 1 unit. 1 unit of. So impulse means this is just like a pulse. So it depends upon the variation of load. If the load will be more, then it will blink fast. If the load will be just like low, then it will blink slowly. So no matter it is blinking fast or slow, when it will complete 3200 blinking, then 1 unit will be completed. So unit is also represented at 1 unit. So being an engineer, you should aware of these small concepts. If your concept is not clear and you are looking for siparish or anything else, then you are not an engineer, and you will damage the country. So merit should be on the purity. So 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So this is a unit. Now I have explained everything. So this power indicator and the impulse per kilogram indicator should be on, because it shows the consumption of units. So now and the on light should be this impulse per kilometer, and the power, this should be on every time, every single day, rather than all should be off. Okay, so if the fault conditions occur, then any of these three will on, then the fault will be occur in your system. So you should repair that fault at a time, otherwise your electricity bill will increase. Okay, so earth, neutral and reverse, if you will find these three, then you should repair your system. Now move further. Now the fourth step is increased energy usage. Increased energy usage. So increased energy usage means if you are using more energy. For example, I will suggest you that at that time you should off your unnecessary lights. For example, the lights of bathroom, etc., that are unnecessary. So you should off lights on day or at the daytime. Okay, so otherwise it will cause a high electricity bill. So use more components or use more devices at home will increase electricity bill. Fifth one is seasonal variations. Yeah, it's also important. Seasonal variations. For example, in summer electricity consumption is more. In winter electricity is being used for cooling for heating purposes. There are many people are using electricity heaters, so etc. So this cause also increase of the electricity bills. So sixth step is rate changes. So the government of Pakistan or other governments across the world, so all are changing the rate of electricity, because if the fuel consumption or if the fuel price is high, then the electricity charges are being increased. So it is a natural process. So I will not comment on them, because if the rates of fuel will increase, so the rate will be changed. So it is a reason. So you should avoid the basic reasons. So it is in your hand. You can off your household lights. It is in your hand. You can use less electrical appliances at home. It is in your hand. You can check out energy meter on the daily basis. It is in your hand. Government will not see everything. Okay, being a well civilized citizen, you should look at the necessary things by yourself. Don't look at merely government, that the government will do everything for us. So it's not good. So you are responsible to look at the basic things. Then another one is, seventh one is equipment insufficient. Equipment inefficient. So this means if you are purchasing some electrical appliances or wires or energy meter etc, if they are insufficient, means they are not good, so it will also cause the higher of electricity bill. So you should check out the equipment why buying at the market or at the shops. So you should check out properly. This also causes the electricity bills. Eighth one is energy loss. Yeah, it also causes the electricity bill high. Energy loss. Yeah, so it may occur due to the poor insulation etc. If you will lost the energy, then it will increase the electricity bill. Ninth one is peak demand charges. Conceptual and your behavior should be like an engineer. Pakistani engineers are also good, just like an Indian engineer. So Indian engineers are somehow they are good, so we are also good. So we should learn from each other. So learning is no bounds. So we should learn things across the world while using the YouTube platform. So now the next is taxes and surcharges. So taxes are, being citizen of Pakistan or across the world, we should pay the tax. It is a legal process. We can't flee away from taxes and surcharges. So we should pay these. Being a good citizen or being a civilized citizen, we should pay the taxes and surcharges. I will not bet comment on these things, because it is our responsibility to pay the government taxes. So I will not bet comment on these things. If you are living in United States of America, if you are living in India, if you are living in Pakistan, so Pakistan is still a developing. Look at America, its energy sector is good. If you will look at India, its energy sector is good, because they have invested in renewable energy at the very early time. So we don't consider at the renewable side, so we should consider at the renewable side. Pakistan has many untapped energy sources, so we should tap them up, and we should consider them. So the important thing is the merit should be on the purity. Okay, if we will ignore the merit, then we will never ever progress. So I will pass out in July, then I am still worried I will get a job in my own country or not, because I am hopeful that I will get a job, because I have ability to get a job. If I will unable to get a job, then I will go abroad. My first priority will be Canada and the United States of America. So there I think the merit should be followed. They are following the merit, I think. So they are progressing. They are developed countries. So and then the next is phantom energy consumption. Phantom energy consumption, this is too much important. You should note down this on your notebook, that devices that are plugged in but not in use still draw power. We are letting the devices, just like if our mobile charger is plugged in and that is not connected to our smartphone, so it also draws the power, and still it is on in the extension, so it is plugged in. It also draws the power, and our units are being consumed, so we should avoid this also. Then next one is lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes means if the number of if the family members are being increased, if the style is being changed, just like if you will replace something by AC etc, you are consuming more units, so it is also important. Then faulty wiring or electrical issues. So this is also important, faulty wiring or electrical issues. So the next thing is tariff charges. Tariff charges. So tariff charges and external factors. External factors just like thefting. When someone steals electricity, then it is called thefting. Natural disaster or fuels. So if the fuel prices will increase, then you have to pay high electrical bills. So thank you so much viewers. If you have found this video fruitful, then don't forget to tap on the subscribe button. Thank you so much once again.